Hello, everyone. With tax time approaching, it's time again to gather your information, get it to us so we can get some work done for you. This is a copy of our tax return preparation data sheet. Most clients have information that comes to us through the CRA, and we can download it, and there's a bunch of other stuff that we need you to provide to us. So let's just take a quick run through. At the very top, assuming you're working with a spreadsheet, you just put in the names. You'll put in not the details of slips like a T4 slip, but just the name of the employer in a case like this, assuming it was the City of Ottawa. And that'll just tell us to check for a T4 slip from the City of Ottawa. Don't send us the slip. Don't send us all the data. Just tell us I have a T4 from City of Ottawa. For a variety of investment related slips, like income from an RSP withdrawal or REF withdrawal, T4As, T3s, T5s, T5008, all that stuff, we're going to get it almost certainly. Just tell us what you have. And if it's accounts we supervise, we'll know what should be there in the first place. When it comes to RSP contributions, sometimes we manage those, but sometimes it's plans at work otherwise, that we don't see the data for. So just tell us, I've got an RSP contribution slip from the name of the institution, and just tell us whether it was a first 60 days slip or a rest of the year slip. As you can see here, I've just indicated first 60 days to remind me of that. When it comes to medical expenses, we just need a total amount of all medical expenses, including health insurance, not disability, not life insurance, but health insurance. And you can pool the amounts for a couple and for any dependent children who are under the age of 18. For things like donations, for charity or political donations, we just need a total dollar amount for each category. When it comes to tuition, whether it's a slip for you or for a dependent student, just tell us the name of the institution, the amount of tuition, and the number of months of either part-time or full-time attendance. Those should be right on the slip. For home office expenses, you'll see that there is a tab down below in the spreadsheet that says business income and expenses, and it has car, business, other things. If this is new to you, let us know. We'll give you an orientation. If you're experienced, fill in the data in the spreadsheet and get it back to us. When it comes to home office expenses, for the past few years, there was a special provision, $2 a day for COVID-related work from home. That is gone. So if you're working from home, unfortunately, we're going to have to consider whether it's worthwhile to do the more detailed work. But if you're confident it applies, well, there's a section in the business income and expenses where you can detail home expenses. Not all of those are available for home office expenses for employees. So if you need clarification, just ask us. Similarly, if you have a rental property and you have rental income, there's a tab down below where you fill in the details. And just don't forget, there's a Canadian digital media subscription credit. I know it's crazy, but amounts you might pay for a newspaper like the Ottawa Citizen, Ottawa Sun, Toronto Star, whatever, just give us a dollar amount there and we will enter it in the tax return. That's pretty much it. If you have any questions, just ask. We're here to answer.